Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to give you a complete review of Flexjobs, especially for beginners. I'll explain how it works, what kind of jobs you can find, how to use it properly, and everything you need to know before signing up. So if you're looking for a legitimate way to find remote or flexible jobs online, make sure you watch until the end. This guide will help you decide if Flexjobs is really worth it. So first things first, what exactly is Flexjobs? Flexjobs is an online job platform that specializes in remote, hybrid, and part-time opportunities. It's not like Fiverr or Upwork where freelancers bid for gigs. Instead, Flexjobs lists curated and verified job postings from reputable companies around the world. The main purpose is to help people find legitimate, flexible jobs. No scams, no fake listings, and no low-quality offers. That's what makes it stand out from free job boards. Now let's talk about how it works. When you go to flexjobs.com, you'll see the home page with a search bar. You can type in the kind of job you're looking for example, data entry, customer service, or marketing. You can also choose filters like remote only, part-time, or freelance. Flexjobs then shows you a list of verified job postings from trusted employers around the world. But here's something important. Unlike other platforms, Flexjobs is not free. You have to subscribe to see full job details and apply directly. They offer different subscription plans. You can choose weekly, monthly, or yearly. The weekly plan is great if you just want to test it out, while the yearly plan saves you more money if you plan to use it long-term. Once you subscribe, you can see the company names, job descriptions, salary details, and direct links to apply. Flexjobs doesn't take a commission or handle payments. You apply directly to the employer. Next, let's talk about the kind of jobs available. Flexjobs has thousands of listings across more than 50 career categories. Some popular ones include writing, customer support, project management, education, design, and software development. You'll also find flexible schedule jobs, seasonal work, and even international remote positions. It's perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, digital nomads, or professionals who want to work from anywhere. Now, is Flexjobs legitimate? Absolutely. It's been around since 2007 and has been featured by reputable sources like CNN, Forbes, and the Wall Street Journal. Every single job listing is manually reviewed by their team before it's posted. That means you won't waste time applying to fake companies or suspicious offers. Flexjobs basically acts as a filter between you and the scam world, giving you only real, remote-friendly opportunities. Let's go over the benefits and drawbacks so you get a complete picture. The biggest advantage is trust and quality. You can confidently apply without worrying about scams. Another benefit is time saving. Instead of scrolling through endless random listings, Flexjobs organizes everything in one place. You also get helpful tools like career coaching, resume reviews, and skill tests to improve your chances of getting hired. So, for the downsides, the main one is that it's not free. Some people might hesitate to pay for job listings. But remember, you're paying for security, verified employers, and expert filtering. The other small limitation is that Flexjobs doesn't manage payments or contracts. Once you find a job, everything happens directly between you and the company. Let's move on to how to get started properly. After signing up, fill out your profile completely. Include your skills, experience, and job preferences. Then, set up job alerts so Flexjobs emails you whenever a new job matches your criteria. Check listings daily because high-quality remote jobs get filled fast. When applying, make sure to tailor your resume and cover letter to each job. Employers on Flexjobs usually appreciate personalized applications. Another pro tip, Flexjobs offers a free section called Remote Work Resources, which includes guides on resumes, interviews, and productivity tips. You can even take career tests to identify the best roles for your skill set. These extras can really help you if you're just starting your remote career. So, to wrap it up, Flexjobs is a premium job board designed for people who want reliable, flexible, and remote job opportunities. It's not free, but it's worth the investment if you're serious about finding legitimate online work. You'll avoid scams, save time, and access trusted employers all in one place. That's everything you need to know about Flexjobs, how it works, what to expect, and how to get started. If you're ready to find a real remote job, head to flexjobs.com, explore the listings, and give it a try. You might just find your next big career opportunity there. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.